Alright, let's get this puppy in Crystal. This is one of my favorite programming languages, I swear. I just fucking love this language. Anyway, so our bytes are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just arbitrary. I can't speak. Arbitrary. You guys can set that to whatever you want. Our int type is going to be int32. And the little jump table right there is going to be all initialized to 0. And our stack is going to be an array of int32 type, then our little pointer right here, and we need to go through each character. Is it with index? Each character with index, do C and I think. Okay, yeah. And then our case here is going to be the character, and then the condition is going to be, if it's the left bracket right here, we are going to stick that position into the stack. Let me close this out a little bit. And then if it's the right bracket, we're going to get the open bracket, which is going to be at the popped stacks position, if that makes sense. And then the jump right here is going to be set to the open bracket, and then the jump of the open bracket is going to be set back to wherever this character position was found at. And then down here we're going to do while I, and this condition is going to be the code size, because we're going to be iterating through each character again. And then we're going to do the case BF, and this is going to be through each character. If it's the right angle bracket, we're going to increase our pointer position. If it's the left one, we have to decrement it by 1. If it's an addition symbol, we need to silently increase and wrap this. So we do the notation like this in Crystal, so it silently wraps that around. It doesn't throw a fucking error, because it throws some I can't remember the word. Anyway, concentrate, motherfucker. Okay, so this one is going to be down, and then if it's a period, we need to print whatever value is at the tape, and we can call that by CHR, which is pretty cool. And then we need to get the input for this one if it's a comma, so tape PTR. We can do standard in read byte, or just set it to 08. And then if it's the right angle bracket I, or not angle bracket, if it's the right bracket, is going to be set to the jump I. If tape PTR, shit, I can't type, is 0, and then this one is going to be set to I. If tape PTR does not equal 0. And then let's come down here and type puts for a new line. Let's save this puppy, and then let's come up here, and we should get hello world. Oh, we got it, let's go. We can also do a Quine. 1 second. Okay, so I copied the Quine BF program, so let's paste that puppy in there, and this should output exactly what it inputted. Let's go, dude, that's epic. Okay, so we can just test this by copying that. Boom. Awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you guys have a great day.